YUKA先生と一緒に作ってみましょう。 Let's enjoy baking! Today, we're making coconut banana tropical muffin.
ハロー、今日はバナナとココナッツを使ってマフィン焼きます。乾杯。
Preheat your oven to 200 degrees centigrade. Line paper liners into a muffin tin. First, let's prepare the wet ingredients. Add the melted butter in a mixing bowl and smash it with a spatula. Gradually add sugar and mix it well with a whisk. Add coconut milk and vanilla extract to the mixture and stir until combined.
はい、4分した。はい。また混ぜます。甘くなった。
Crack the egg and beat it.
ちょっと入れるね。3分の1ぐらい。はい。
Add it in little by little and mix until smooth.
また3分の1ぐらい。うん。ちょっとずつ黄色くなってる。ほんまやな。最後。はい。
Peel the banana and cut into small pieces. And add them in the mixture. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients. Sift flour, baking powder together into the wet
い
ingredients.
つもママこれやってるもんね。うん。これ見てさ、シャープにやってるもん。うまい。あんまりね、これ混ぜすぎると硬くなるんだって。はい。だから、まあ、こんなもんでいいかもしれないね。
Here's a little tip. Make sure you do not overmix. This way, you can give fine fluffy texture to the muffins. Scoop the batter into the muffin tin and fill each cup. Slice the banana and place them on top. Along with flaked coconut. Lower the oven temperature to 180 degrees centigrade and bake for about 25 minutes. Remove the muffins from the oven and cool it down. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely.
Cute!